If you have ever been curious about how brands manage to reach the right audience at the perfect moment, or how advertising space is purchased instantly across the internet in real time, then this is the platform you need to understand. We are going to explore The Trade Desk, one of the most advanced and widely used programmatic advertising platforms available today. Whether you are a digital marketer, a media buyer, a business owner, or simply someone curious about how modern advertising technology works, this guide will give you a solid and easy-to-understand starting point. To begin, the very first step is to visit the official website of The Trade Desk. Once you land on the homepage, you will notice a clean and professional interface with several options available at the top. On the top corner of the website, there is a login option that allows you to access your account using your credentials. If you already have an account, you can simply log in and proceed to the dashboard. However, if you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one. The process is slightly different compared to regular platforms. Instead of direct sign-up, you need to go to the Contact section of the website and submit a request form. This form is essentially a way to request access to a free trial of the platform. After submitting your request, a representative or sales expert from the Trade Desk may reach out to you and provide access if your application is approved. If your request is not approved, you can still explore the platform by navigating through the website and learning about its features and capabilities. Once you are on the homepage, take some time to explore the main navigation sections available at the top. These include company information, platform details, as well as resources and insights. Each of these sections provides valuable information about how the Trade Desk operates and what it offers. To better understand the core functionality, it is recommended to start with the platform section. This section highlights the main features and capabilities of the system in detail. One of the most important features of the Trade Desk is its support for omni-channel advertising. This means that advertisers can run campaigns across multiple digital platforms from a single centralized system. These channels include connected TV, mobile devices, desktop environments, digital audio platforms, and even digital out-of-home advertising displays. By using a single platform to manage all these channels, advertisers can deliver a consistent and unified brand message no matter where their audience is engaging with content. This significantly improves brand recognition and campaign effectiveness. Another key feature is the identity solution offered by the Trade Desk. In a world where third-party cookies are becoming less reliable, this feature allows advertisers to identify and recognize users across different devices and platforms while maintaining user privacy. A major component of this system is Unified ID 2. This solution uses encrypted email addresses instead of traditional tracking methods, ensuring that user data is handled in a secure and transparent manner. Audience targeting is another essential capability of the platform. This feature allows advertisers to define specific audience segments based on various factors such as age, gender, interests, behavior patterns, geographic location, and even purchasing intent. By using this data, advertisers can ensure that their ads are shown to the most relevant audience. The ultimate goal is to deliver the right message to the right person at the right time, which increases engagement and improves conversion rates. Next is measurement and optimization. These tools are also integrated into the Trade Desk. These tools allow advertisers to track the performance of their campaigns in detail. Metrics such as impressions, clicks, conversions, and return on investment can all be monitored in real time. One of the most powerful aspects of this feature is real-time optimization. The system can automatically adjust campaign settings while they are running, ensuring better performance without requiring constant manual input. Next is artificial intelligence. It plays a significant role in enhancing the platform's capabilities. The Trade Desk uses AI-powered tools like Koa to analyze large volumes of data and predict which ad placements are likely to perform best. These tools also help optimize bidding strategies automatically, ensuring that advertisers get the best value for their budget. This reduces the need for manual adjustments and allows campaigns to run more efficiently. Now there is Retail Data section. The platform also makes use of real-world data through partnerships with major retailers such as Walmart, Walgreens, and Albertsons. This first-party data provides valuable insights into consumer behavior, both online and in physical stores. Advertisers can use this information to understand how users interact with products and services, and even link ad exposure to actual purchases. This level of data integration makes campaigns more precise and impactful. For advanced users and organizations, there is OpenTTD section. The OpenTTD section of the Trade Desk refers to a centralized platform portal that gives users unified access to the company's entire digital advertising ecosystem. Instead of using multiple tools, logins, or interfaces, OpenTTD acts as a single entry point where advertisers, data providers, publishers, and partners can manage their activities, integrations, and analytics in one place. Next, we have programmatic buying. It is another fundamental feature of the Trade Desk. This refers to the automated process of purchasing digital advertising space through real-time bidding. Instead of manually negotiating ad placements, advertisers can bid on impressions instantly as they become available. This allows them to secure better placements at competitive prices while maximizing efficiency. The automation provided by programmatic buying reduces complexity and improves overall campaign performance. The partner directory is also an important component of the platform. It provides a list of integrated partners that offer additional services such as data enrichment, attribution analysis, brand safety solutions, creative tools, and access to ad inventory. These partners include publishers, ad exchanges, and other service providers. By connecting with these partners, advertisers can enhance their campaigns and gain access to more resources. Another important feature is OpenPath. This allows advertisers to purchase ad inventory directly from premium publishers without relying on intermediaries. By removing middlemen such as supply-side platforms and exchanges, advertisers can achieve greater transparency, lower costs, and improved campaign performance. A notable innovation within the Trade Desk is UID2, also known as Unified ID 2.0, which is an open-source identity framework designed as a privacy-friendly alternative to traditional tracking methods. It is built around encrypted email data and gives users more control over how their information is used. This framework is designed to operate across the open internet rather than being limited to closed platforms, making it a more flexible and transparent solution. When it comes to advertising channels, the Trade Desk supports a wide variety of formats. First is, audio advertising allows brands to reach users during moments when they are not actively looking at screens, such as while driving or exercising. Next we have CTV, or OTT, stand for Connected TV, and over-the-top advertising deliver ads through internet-enabled televisions and streaming platforms, combining the impact of traditional TV with the precision of digital targeting. Next is digital out-of-home advertising. This refers to ads displayed on digital screens, in public locations such as billboards, transit stations, and shopping areas. These ads can be purchased programmatically, allowing for flexible targeting and scheduling. Next on the list is display advertising. This includes banner ads that appear on websites and mobile apps, which are effective for increasing brand awareness and retargeting users. Another feature is mobile advertising, which focuses on reaching users on their smartphones using various formats such as banners, videos, and interactive ads. Then there is native advertising. It blends seamlessly with the surrounding content, making it less disruptive and more engaging for users. Lastly, we have video advertising, which is another powerful format that provides strong storytelling capabilities and can appear in both skippable and non-skippable formats, making it highly effective for building brand awareness and engagement. This brings us to the conclusion of this comprehensive overview of the Trade Desk. If you are looking for a platform that offers control, scalability, transparency, and advanced targeting capabilities, then this is definitely worth exploring. It provides everything needed to run modern advertising campaigns effectively across multiple channels. And that's it. So, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.